Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your hamburger menu on WordPress blocksy. Alright, first things first, let's go to our top toolbar here and click on Customize. Alright, let's click on this tab and it should take us to the Customizer. And let's go back to our site here and hit F12. Right, and this opens up our console, and if it doesn't open into our mobile version, there's a button over here, Toggle Device Toolbar, or we can click Control-Shift-M, and it takes us to our mobile version site. And you can see we have our menu over here. All right, so let's configure this by going into our Customizer, and down here, let's click on the mobile version. You can see we have the same preview. Now, we can click on this, or we can click on Header, and it takes us to our header area. Now our hamburger menu switch is called a trigger. So let's click on that, and we have a few different options to choose from. And we have type 1, 2, and 3. Let's go with type 1. We can change our icon size. Okay, we can change our style to simple, outline, and solid. I'll probably keep it on outline. We can change up the spacing, and you see it does move around a bit. And I can probably remove these and put this here, and this one probably here. Oops. Okay. And that moves things around. All right, that's good, that's good. And let's go down here, label visibility. We can remove this, and it's just the icon. And we can also enable or disable this depending on whether or not we're on tablet or mobile. And then for design, click on this. Right, so default color on the transparent state is white. And then when we hover over it, I want it to be red. Okay. And border color, let's put a border on it. And then when we hover over it, okay, it turns red, it highlights up. And we can change our border radius here. You can see it becomes squarer when it's lower and much more round when we crank it up. And we can put a margin over here. So from the top, I kind of want to put a few pixels here just to bring it down a bit. And again, element visibility to toggle it on and off depending on if it's tablet or on your cell phone. So I'm happy with the changes. Let's go ahead and click on Publish. Okay, we have it here. One last look. Let's reload our site. And you can see we have customized our hamburger menu button over here. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.